Marhaba everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today we are making a strip lace inspired phone case. To start with, I have drawn lines with equal distance on my cover. This is where every strip will begin. After this, I have made some U-shaped curves, which I'm now filling in with these thin lines. I like the lines really thin but close to each other. I'm also adding these dots across just to give that line some definition. I hope you guys are getting a clear zoomed in view. So I'm just going over the curves we made earlier and proceeding with these V-like shape, but more like a tomb kind of shape. The basic idea is just to make these realistic shapes we see commonly on laces and filling them in, and I'll be filling these in with some circles. It would be really good if you check out some lace designs and make some easy design of your own before you start. A good tip would be if you draw this pattern of yours and stick it behind the cover, so all you have to do now is trace over it. Okay, so now I have decided to use a similar shape. And in order to make them all in the same size, I am taking this ruler and drawing dots. So this is going to make them the same size. And now I'm just making these random check-like figures here and there, just scribbling here and there. It doesn't have to be equal or something, just random. And after which we're going to make a simple flower, just a simple flower by connecting dots. So I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible but not plain. Alright, so we're almost done with our first strip. I'm just going over the borders and adding teardrops just to boost it up a little more. I'm also adding these tiny dots to give it a more lacy look or feeling. I'm finally adding these gems. I think these gems made a huge difference, and just be careful while putting them on. So now I'm just repeating the same steps again and again for every line that we created, remember? So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please do comment down below. Also comment your queries down, I'll be there answering them. You can also find me on my social media, so please do feel free to follow me. I'm more frequent there. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, maslama.